we had done with a full length corkscrew, where you're going down, tap, you could do the same thing with the short one, where you go down, up over the arm, tap, up over the arm, tap, up over the arm, tap, up over the arm. So instead of going up over your head, you come in nice and tight, nice and tight, nice and tight. And then you can even do a fun, maybe slightly more difficult version because it's split time versus same time. Tap with the hand that's that side of the body, the home hand first. So the right hand on the right side would, I'm here, I'm clockwise. If I tap right, left, then it'll naturally lead into the counterclockwise. Then on my left side, if I tap left, right, it'll naturally lead into the other one. So right, left, right. Inside corkscrew tap back combo. Corkscrew, tap back, where you tap it and it bounces back, and then it's a combo because it goes from one side to the other side. So on my left side, which looks to your right, I'm gonna tap left, then right, and then I'll come up into my clockwise. Then on my right side, I'll type right, I will speak correctly. I will tap right, then left, and it'll come up into the counterclockwise. So left, right to clockwise, and then right, left to counterclockwise. Left, right to clockwise, right, left to counterclockwise. You could also do it like this, which mirrors what we had done over the head in the longer poi, where you are doing it short, and in together time, instead of doing sequentially. So that's two different versions of the combination. One where you do split time taps and one where you do together time taps.